This is day 8 of me doing 1 rep of any exercise for every 100 followers across my social media platforms. And currently we are back down to 1811 followers. So that's 18 reps from 185 yesterday. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna do core and cardio today. And did you know that the only part of the body that cannot repair itself is your teeth? The brain is a close second because it can barely repair itself after it loses neurons or brain cells. So with that said, take care of your teeth and your noggin. Okay, that's it, Pansit. I'll see you on day 9 tomorrow. Have a good day. Keep warm. It's very super cold out there, especially in certain places.